Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video and this is a haul video. I know you guys love haul videos and specifically when it's a Nykaa haul video. It's Pink Friday sale time and this is literally the best time to stock up on your favorite beauty products, guys. I always wait for the sale time. My products are lying in my cart till there's a sale and you know you can get a good deal and get them at a cheaper rate. Of course it works much better. So yes, I think it's one of the most fabulous Pink Friday sale this time, which is why I have ordered a lot of stuff. So get a cup of coffee. This is an unboxing and a haul video which you guys love. There's some skincare, some hair, some beauty products, but all the products that I've been meaning to try, review or all of that, like I've ordered. I literally wanted to share this video as soon as possible with you guys so that you guys can actually get the benefit of the Nykaa Pink Friday sale and order them yourself. So yes, this is the amazing box that has come in. This is the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, up to 50% off on beauty product. This is the box that I will be unboxing in front of you guys. These are all the products that have actually come in. These are the amazing products that I ordered that I will take you through. So let's get started without further ado. First product that I have here with me, you know, recently Priyanka Chopra launched her haircare range and I think most of us saw that because it was launched with a big bang, and I really have been meaning to try the Anomaly product. This is the Anomaly smoothening conditioner that I've ordered. I personally feel like a mild shampoo can do the job, but a conditioner really needs to be nice to have like nice nourished smoothened hair. This is a smoothing conditioner. This is with argan oil and quinoa. Its original price is $7.50. All of these products are on a really good discount, so now is the time to stock up. So this is the smoothing conditioner that I've ordered. Let's see how it is. The packaging looks really nice. It's like a thin plastic and I like what they've written. Less spent on packaging, more spent on superior formula. So basically it's a thinner bottle because less plastic has been used. So I like that about brands that actually take care of the environment. It's silicone free, paraben free. It's a secret weapon for controlling frizzy, coarse and curly hairs. I look forward to trying this. Let's move on to the next. Since we are on hair care, I ordered one more hair product. Again, something I have been meaning to try because you know it's important to, for us beauty bloggers, it's important to try different products so that we can share recommendations. And you know how I love to do my top 5 series. I wanted to try the Herbal Essence shampoo also. So Argan oil of Morocco, Herbal Essence. So this is the Herbal Essence shampoo that I ordered. This is originally priced at $3.50. This I've actually heard a lot. I anyway feel argan oil, Moroccan oil is something that really works wonders for hair and skin. I use it on my face as well. It's one of my very key ingredient that I feel works very well for the hair and for the skin. 0% parabens, colorants and gluten. So next up is a hair serum I have heard so much about, and I don't really use serums too much, but this is something I had heard a lot about. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. I'm sure you all have also heard a lot about it because this has literally been doing the rounds a lot. So it's basically for all hair types, infused with a blend of 6 flower extract oils. So yes, it looks really nice. It's basically to smoothen out your hair after you shampoo your hair. This is how the serum looks like. It's actually for versatile use. You can use it before shampoo, before drying, before styling, as a finishing touch or as an overnight treatment. $5.99, which is again so affordable anyway, but this is also on a discount right now. I like the texture, guys. You really need to use little on the ends of your hair, and how it smells also very nice, but just a little bit so that your ends are nice and nourished. It's perfect for a finishing touch or as an overnight treatment also. Next up is skincare. I ordered the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. I've heard so much about it. I've actually used their cleanser, but I was actually looking to keep like a neutral, very lightweight moisturizer for my skin, and I really wanted to try this. Normal to combination and sensitive skin. So actually if you have sensitive skin, I really feel Cetaphil is a really good moisturizer to have. So yes, this is the one I ordered. Dermatologically recommended for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, Cetaphil is your best friend. Next up is a brand I've been really meaning to try. I've not been very regular with my night skincare regime. So I got myself the Dot & Key Cica Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. This is the night gel by Dot & Key. It's basically for acne prone and sensitive skin. Of late, I feel a lot of redness in my skin, acne spots that don't leave, and just more recurrence of acne, which never happened before. So this is for an oily skin type. Mine is dry to combination, but sometimes I do have excess oil on my sides and stuff. So it's a clean beauty brand, it's a cruelty free brand, it's a dermatologically tested brand. Love their packaging. Look at how cute their bottle is. It's very lightweight, of course. So this is how, because it's a night gel, this is how the consistency is, and I like the smell. If you're having acne and it has some really good actives like niacinamide and green tea, two ingredients that I feel are really good for the skin, this actually feels very, very soft on the skin. One more skincare product that I ordered is actually not for me. I ordered this for my mom because, you know, when it comes to skincare for elders, I don't think you can go wrong with Olay, and I think this is one of their best products. This is the Olay 7 benefits in 1 day cream that I ordered for my. This is how it looks like. It really is known to be one of the best anti-aging creams anyway. Actually, even I can try it. Olay is known for all of its amazing anti-aging properties, so I really wanted to try this. This is priced at $3.99. You can check out the link below for all the discounted rates and what the Nykaa Pink Friday deal is on them. It has like these 7 benefits that lead to younger and healthier looking skin. So Olay is such a OG product for anti-aging. So yes, I got this. Next up, I got the Niacinamide face serum from Plum. Plum again is such a great brand for skincare. I actually did not have niacinamide in my skincare regime yet. Basically, it clears blemishes, improves skin texture. It's with rice water amino acid complex. This is how the bottle looks like. Looks so nice, clear and refreshing. So I like anything that comes with a dropper is so convenient to use. I think it's really, really nice. And yes, this is the niacinamide from Plum that I've ordered. This is actually a beginner friendly serum, by the way. So yes, since I'm new to the whole niacinamide game, I thought let's try with something that is very mild. Next up is another gel cream that I wanted to try. This is the Neutrogena Bright Boost Gel Cream. Neutrogena again is a dermatologically tested and recommended brand. Accelerated brightening complex with neoglucosamine. 1 week to brighter, more even skin tone. Such a cute packaging. This is how the cream looks like, and yeah, smells really nice. This is how the cream is. How nice. It's really nice and blends very nicely. It's very smooth. So yes, I look forward to trying this out and seeing the results. It says 1 week and you'll have brightened skin. So yes, this really I need to put to test. I'm moving on to my favorite part. I did order some makeup. First of all, I ordered a makeup fixer. This is basically the Faces Canada Ultime Pro makeup fixer. So this is basically, if you have been using the Rep and Prime from MAC, this is of course a more economical version of that. This keeps your makeup intact, hydrates and refreshes the skin, and it's non-sticky. Heard a lot about it, and I love Faces Canada products personally. Check this out. This is how the packaging is. This is the amazing bottle, and yes, okay, so it's like a, of course, like a watery formula that is just basically keeps your makeup in place when you're doing a full face of makeup. Okay, since I was on the website and there were so many product recommendations that were coming my way, and I couldn't stop myself because I want to be able to share product recommendations from all different brands out there. So Swiss Beauty is again one of those brands that I have yet not tried, but I've heard a lot about. This is the aloe vera and vitamin E makeup fixer. This is a makeup fixer natural. This again is a makeup fixer. So yeah, let's see. This is how the spray is. Again, it's a makeup spray that you can spray and you know, keep your makeup intact. Yeah, this smells really good and refreshing because I think it's got aloe vera, so it really smells like that, and is one of the most affordable makeup fixers I have bought. This is priced at $2.49. So yes, Swiss Beauty products are very well priced, so you can check them out. Okay, moving on is Sugar Cosmetics amazing kit. This is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Mini Lipstick Bold Set, and it's an Indian brand and it looked really nice to me. I love mini lipsticks because this way you get to try a lot of shades and it gives you a lot of variety. Even a mini lipstick lasts you a very long time, and the full size ones actually never get over. These are the 4 shades of the Sugar Cosmetics lipsticks that have come down. These are the 4 amazing shades. I think they all look really nice. I personally love the 12 Dawn Fawn. Looks like a nice rusty shade. Let's see. I like how, wow, this looks really smooth. Okay, this is a nice shade, guys. It's a nice thick consistency of the lipstick for sure. and it's like matte yet creamy. This is another one. Oh wow, that's really bright. This is super bright. Okay, this I don't like. Oh, it's like a plum color. See, the cosmetics kit for you guys. This is the minis kit. Last up is a lipstick kit. So recently Nykaa launched their first ever limited edition Janhvi Kapoor lipstick kits. They've launched 3 kits. One has like a mascara and an eyeshadow and all of that. One has a lip kit, but this was obviously my favorite and I wanted to try it because this is the Janhvi Kapoor lip wardrobe. Basically this has 3 lipsticks, and one is a liquid lipstick mini, one is a matte, one is the ultra matte. I love that they are mini and they are so well priced. So these are the 3 lipsticks that are part of the Nykaa lipstick limited edition lip wardrobe kit. This is the mini liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Janhvi. This is her personal favorite. Oh nice, I love the packaging. And this is the mini. You know how many helps is if it doesn't suit you, you haven't wasted the whole product. How nice, I love this. This is such a beautiful shade. I'm certainly ordering a big size after this, but this is such a good formulation as well. Next up is the ultra matte mini. It's in the shade Jane. How cute is this, guys? I love their lipsticks. Oh wow, this is such a good shade. And this is, my hands are getting full, but oh wow, it's such a perfect brown shade. So this is a perfect pink shade, and this is literally the perfect chocolate brown shade. This is literally a must-have kit, guys. 2 of the shades I've tried and I love them. And this is the Regal Ruby shade. This is the black packaging lipstick, and let's see. Okay, so this is like a deep reddish color. Let's see where I have space to swatch this. Oh, it's such a nice red. It's such a subtle red. Can you guys see? Yeah, so this is the beautiful shade, which is in the shade Regal Ruby, and I think it's a really nice shade, and it's actually very smooth to use. So yes, I'm loving the Nykaa lip formulations as well, guys. One of the best buys of this whole box is this mini lipstick kit. All of 3, the liquid, the ultra matte and the semi matte, all of them are so good, and the shades are so nice. Must have. And this is so well priced. I think this kit is priced at $677. Wow, what a price. So yes, if you're looking for like an all-in-one kind of lip kit where you can get some options, especially if you want a pink nude, a brown nude and a red, this is like the perfect combination, because this literally sorts you out on your lipstick collection. Must have. I'm very impressed. That brings me to the end of this video, guys. This was all that I got, all that I ordered from the Nykaa Pink sale. Time is running, so because a lot of these products really do go out of stock. I'm linking all of these products down below if you want to try, if there's something that has been on your list, to give it a try. But this is all that I ordered from the Nykaa Pink sale. I really hope you guys like this video. I'm very excited to try all of these products out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.